Okay, here we are, approaching the Highland estate. Okay, Nicole, you may proceed. Here's the busy road. I hear the coyotes. Oh, look at the Highland estate. See, it's like a little face with an open mouth. Yay! Okay, we'll get pictures when we go. Hey, there's Nicole. Hooray! Okay, as you see, we're approaching the front door here, and we're now entering the garage. So we'll do a quick little. Here's the front door. All right, and now we're going to go into a couple different rooms. Watch your step. All right, we just walked in there, and now we're in the kitchen area. Hi, Nicole. I smell something cooking. Well, I'm trying to have vision. Cabinets, window, and laundry room, and bathroom. Oh, sorry, pantry. I was going to say that's very small.
There's a bathroom.
And here's the bath. Okay, and we're approaching, yay, the big great room. And it's big and great.
Nice big bed.
Nice big room. Got the fireplace in. Nice picture window. The little bench. And, boy, I can't get it all in the camera, it's so big. And here we are, front door. Looking up into, oh, what's that sound?
Butterfly.
Okay. Into the upper expanse. Okay. Okay. We have now, if you can envision, down the front stairs. And there's the garage again in front, and here's the front. Right, or lack thereof. It's a pretty picture window here. No, I was off to the side because I'm like, well, I wouldn't appreciate a shot like that. Okay.
This is the bonus room.
Right, the bonus room does look a little smaller from that initial. I see what you mean. Okay. Let me just, while I'm here. Ooh,
Okay.
this is a little scary. It's a good thing Luke isn't here.
Yeah, Andrew doesn't like it
Eesh, that's a little scary. Okay, master?
there. Master bedroom.
Yay!
Look at the tray ceiling.
When you're sleeping in the morning, you can tell who your visitors are going to be. Just look out your window. And the nice glamour bath. Excellent.
Corner tub.
Come on, Nicole. What are you going to do in your glamour bath?
What am I gonna do?
Go ahead.
What do you mean?
Give us a sample. Oh, she gets up and she gets in her tub.
My shower.
Oh, all right. We like the glamour bath.
Bathtub.
Potty?
Potty.
Oh, that's a little bit of
Cabinet.
sink. Excellent. And a closet here, right?
That's the closet.
Okay.
Well, it is dark.
Well, here is the skylight. That was that picture you had for the
Yeah.
guest bathroom, and I have to be a little careful because I'm ready to fall off. As I'm taking a picture, I'm going to go 2 stories down. So, and that's the only skylight, Nicole, in?
Yeah, that's the
Up
only
in here?
one.
Okay, that's going to be very pretty. Skylights are wonderful. Linen
Yeah,
closet.
I know, you've got me used to those.
It's your only light. Did I get this room yet? No. First bedroom and second bedroom. And we're at the other side, back side of the house over the kitchen now. Let's check out the view. There's an electrical box. And we don't see septic yet, right?
No, probably where the
Probably around there somewhere.
bushes are.
nice backyard. It just goes on, goes on and on. All right, and then here's the closet for the last bedroom. Going again right into the bonus room. It's actually a bonus hall. Not really. Let's look over the scary edge. I hope railings are included. And one more look at the heatilator fireplace, which actually is kind of similar to ours. But there you go. I like this bench seating. That's nice too. Good.
Should I let it out?
Nicole and Jack's first pet. Yeesh. Does it open the door?
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, I'm now in the what will be a pantry. Looking out into cabinet, sink, stove, and refrigerator. You'll have a nice little window for Jack to do the dishes.
That's right, Jack.
Oh, here,
Jack
no.
did dishes.
DW. Dishwasher. Here's kind of a long shot of the kitchen area. And dining room? What's that? That just means
Where
dining
the
room.
light goes.
Oh, the light.
I don't think the light should go there,
And then there's also going to be a desk right here, and then the bathroom. Oh, and here's the stairs going down. Why don't we proceed on down, Nicole? Nicole, this is very creepy. Where are the bodies? Okay, we have. So this is pretty much the finished state that you will receive this room in.
but. Yes.
Did you do something different in here from the model?
Plumbing.
You put plumbing in.
Plumbing.
Where?
Right over there.
Oh, okay. For
Someday a bathroom.
bathroom. Okay.
When the basement is done.
All right. And that pretty much ends our tour. It was very nice having you. Thank you, Nicole.
Thank you for coming.
Sure. I'll see you later with some furniture. Bye. To the light.
I think it's gonna be